Hello, guys. This is Vaish. So, first of all, Happy Republic Day. Today, we are going to launch the mini packages, subject-wise mini packages, which most students always wait for in the year. Ideally, you should have done the full year course, which started last June, and then maybe after that you waited. So we launched batch two, batch three, batch four. So like there are fourth batches running, and each time we gave a detailed study timetable also. So it will be easy for you to cover the textbooks and then do the test. Okay, we will not give any test simply for you to by heart. We'll make you study and then only give. But still, there will be some students who are veteran students who may not need our timetable. They might be already good in everything, but they just need to practice MCQs. So that also in a scheduled way we'll be giving. So in this video I'll explain what all subjects you can get, almost everything. Okay, entire thing is broken down into mini packages, so you can get it: polity, spectrum, history, geography, environment, anything which you want, we'll get it. That too in a discounted price because it's a Republic Day sale. So time wise, it is time now. Okay, it is like 4 5 months are left. So it's time for the 2021 aspirants to be a little serious, I would say. Okay, because this exam demands that seriousness. If you are going to study like any other exam, you will not pass. You need that commitment, you need that dedication, and need to study the right things. Okay, now with 5 months left, because the exam is done in June end. Okay, June end of 2021, the prelims is going to happen. And we as an institute, we have been doing this since last 4 5 years, and every time we have been successful in the sense more than 100 marks in the prelims have come from our test series. Okay, so that you can see again. If you are a new person watching this channel, you can simply search Vaish versus UPSC. Okay, simply search. So 2019 20, all the success videos with the proof will be there. Okay, we don't give simply the number, we give you the proof also. Like Vaish is test series question versus the UPSC question, we'll show with the statement. Okay, each statement which was picked up from our test series. So all the batches were already done, and as I told, this Republic Day now we are introducing the customized mini packages as per student demands. Okay, because some students asked for polity alone or environment alone, so based on that we have designed it. So the mini packages, it will have only limited enrollments. That is the first thing you have to notice. Okay, so if you are a very serious aspirant, it's better you come and get it in the next 4 5 days. After that it will go back to the original prices, and also maybe the mini package system itself will close. Okay, because this is only for those veteran students who are looking for the subject packages. Else we will give you only the scheduled detailed courses. Okay, you can choose your test pack, and you just need to email us or WhatsApp us the details I'll give you. So if you don't know about YCIS test series which is happening now, this is the entire split up of the subjects. Okay, 75 test, which is the biggest ever in this country, I can promise. Because every time some students come to ask about test series, they'll see the price like this, like 12,000, then offer price is 9,000. This is what all our students have bought it. So some students will tell like that institute is giving for 4,000 rupees, this institute is giving for 5,000 rupees, or maximum it's like 6,000 or 7,000. It is right. Okay, but you have to see at that price how many number of tests they are giving. Okay, the number of tests which they will give will be maximum 45 to 50. Okay, maximum, and that too with 5 to 10 tests are for CSAT. That means for GS test you are not getting that many MCQs to practice, that many variety of topics to be discussed. Okay, but in our case we are giving you 75 tests which is entirely GS. Okay, so if you see here, history around 16 tests are there. Why these many tests? Because history itself has many subparts from which questions come in prelims. Okay, like if you see NCRT part we have done separately, then RS Sharma, Satish Chandra, spectrum, art and culture, generic and art and culture based on Nitin Singhania. Then history full test. Full test means it will be a mix of all the above thing, but not the same questions. Okay, that is also one thing which I noticed in other institutes. When they give a full test, what they are doing is they are picking up MCQs which already they covered in some other test and just filling up 100 MCQs. But here 16 test means 1600 unique MCQs you will get, unique topics you will study. Okay, with detailed explanation. Okay, so that two samples I keep posting in my WhatsApp. Students keep getting the samples every month. And that is how they come and get the confidence and get the this thing to come and buy this. Okay, so current affairs, the latest 12 months. Okay, that is last prelims to this prelims, 2020 June to 2021 mains. This is the 12 month subject. 12 months current affair. And the previous months are also there, but it's not part of this 75 test. Okay, then polity 8 test plus 4 full test. Okay, meaning this 8 test is based on Lakshmikant, meaning Lakshmikant 4th, 5th and 6th edition, everything, whichever textbook you are having, based on everything we have made MCQs. And this one difference between polity test and other test is that this will not have detailed copy pasted explanation from the Lakshmikant, because nothing more than what is there in Lakshmikant can be given to you. Okay, when it comes to other subjects, maybe textbooks are complicated and we have to give you some additional explanation. But in Lakshmikant test alone, after the MCQ, we'll give you the chapter number, page number, and from where to read the explanation for that. Okay, if it's a precedent chapter or something, if it's chapter number this. Okay, suppose I write Lakshmikant 5.2, meaning chapter number 5, page number 2. Exactly in that you will find the explanation for that. So it will be like easy for you to revise the entire Lakshmikant textbook in order, because this is in order. Okay, like Lakshmikant test 1 will be chapter number 1 to 6, then chapter number 6 to 12, 12 to 19, like that. All the 75 chapters or something which is there in Lakshmikant is covered in this, okay, with the page numbers. So this will help you cover the Lakshmikant, and this will be polity test, because there are things which is outside the Lakshmikant also, which is being asked repeatedly nowadays, okay, which is very generic. So those things will be covered in these tests. So 12 tests, so 1200 unique MCQ. Then this is the final full test, okay, which is a mix of everything. So that maybe you don't have to bother, because directly if you buy this, you are not going to learn anything. You have to study the things from standard textbooks. This is a very generic one, which can have content based on previous year paper, and which we can predict, or many things are there, okay, but that should be taken at the last only. We don't recommend you buying this on alone. Then geography test is there, where again 2 NCERT test, 2 map based test, and last 4 years if you see, every map question which came in UPSC have been there in our test, okay. Then geography full test again, okay, which will be a mix of everything, many textbooks, many maps, many things are there. And again, as I tell, all these are 600 unique MCQ, 6 tests, 600 unique MCQ. Economics, 4 subject-wise tests, where 1 will be NCERT based, and then Ramesh Singh and all the other UPSC previous year papers based, everything. Okay, we will not repeat anything which UPSC have already asked. We will not give you such things. We will give you only unique things, okay, which we are expecting for the examiner to pick up. Then economic survey, when February it comes, that time it will be made. So as I told, all these tests, everything is not ready now, okay. It doesn't mean you come and enroll to economy. We are going to give you 5 tests as an when you pay, okay. It will be a scheduled test, and that schedule will be given to you when you enroll, okay. That details I'll tell you. Then environment, science, schemes in government schemes and policies. Then international bodies. This is actually some new addition which we have done, which 2020 batch did not get. We have classified all the SARC or whatever in the Indian bodies, international bodies, which UPSC can ask with detailed explanation in 2 tests. Okay, this again is scheduled for I think March or April. So when you enroll now, your payment will be done, your registration will be marked, and after that, when the schedule will be given to you. Okay, and then as per the test date, these 2 tests will be given to you. Okay, I'm just explaining all these things before we go into the packages and prices, so that you don't have any doubts. Okay, most students' problem is they don't listen to these things and then keep on asking the same thing, like, sir, how many tests is there, how many MCQs there? Every test has 100 MCQ. All the MCQs are unique. We don't have any CSAT test, and all these are relevant for UPSC, and we have the repeated success result. Okay, so these details again you can pause and read. Okay, and what is revision chart snippet card? That also separate videos are there. You can simply search Vaishya IAS revision chart sample, Vaishya IAS snippet card sample, or Vaishya IAS test sample, MCQ sample. Everything are there in hundreds and thousands already in our channel. You can watch that. Okay, or in our community tab, you can simply scroll. Latest samples will be there. This, if you see, this will be the price after January 31, meaning after the offer ends. Okay, so if you see here, this is the 1249 in the full package. 75 test, 250 revision chart, 16 snippet cards. Then only, like, suppose you don't want the revision chart and snippet card and only the test, this will be the price. This is the original price. Okay, but today Republic Day I'll give you at the 50% discount. Okay, almost all of them. Then 16 history test, if you see. So here ancient, medieval, modern, everything which you saw in the previous slide, that first column entirely. Okay, this is the original price. So this, I think you should pause and see, because this is not valid now. Okay, this is not valid for the next 5 days. You are going to get it a very like golden price. Okay. And here last section, if you see, it's all current affairs. That is last 3 years of current affair. If you see 12 test 2018 onwards, then 12 test 2019 onwards, then the latest one. So 36 test. The pack 13, if you see, that is nothing but the combination of pack 10, 11, 12. Okay. And top, if you see here, includes all pack except 10, 11, 13. Meaning this pack 1 contains everything. That is also the pack 12, the latest 12 months current affair. But this 10, 11 and 13 is not there. Meaning older current affair is not part of the first pack 1. Okay. So this is the plan we have, and we'll see the golden prices now. So the bestseller always obviously will be the first one, and that flat 5,000 discount we are keeping, which we usually don't do. But now, because our result is also huge and we want more and more serious aspirants to get it and learn, we are going to give you at this price, okay, which will be only for 5 days, and after that please don't come and ask, okay, because many students will be unhappy also, like I bought it for the other price, but now suddenly offer came. We cannot do anything. Okay, only when this sale we can, like, it happens everywhere. Okay, wherever some sale is there, only on certain occasions we can open it. So now we had the occasion, this 5-day bracket, so that is why we are opening it. So this will be flat 5,000 discount. You will get the entire thing, which every other student who have got it previously will, you will also get, okay, when you enroll now, in a scheduled format. That scheduled timetable will be given to you when you enroll. And then as I told, without the revision chart, this is the price. Okay, because many people don't want to study based on Vaishya IAS revision chart snippet card, even though 99% of the questions are picked up from here only. And this is the price. Okay, again it's like 50%, because if you see the full price is this much. So this is the overall. Now let's go to subject. If you see pack 2, 16 history test. Okay, so this is going to be the price. Okay, So this is going to cover your entire textbooks which you want. Okay, Satish Chandra, R. Sharma, for which free lectures are already there on our channel. Then ancient, medieval, modern, art and culture. These 4 sections, whatever textbooks a standard student is expected to study, based on everything, questions are there. Okay, and NCERT, it's not 6 to 12, it's a correction, it's actually 6, 7, 8 is there, and after that directly class 12. Okay, because 9, 10, 11 is not very important for your prelims. Okay, nothing is going to come from there. You can verify any sources, any exam, any previous paper, no questions will come from there. Only 6, 7, 8 and 12. And then spectrum, entire thing will be covered. R. S. Sharma, Satish Chandra, Nitin Singhania. All these things will be covered, and beyond that more other things are there. Okay, so that's a 1600 MCQs are made. Then pack 3, which is actually a subset of pack 2. Okay, because some students need only spectrum. They want to revise only spectrum. So you can buy this alone and you will get 4 tests. That is 400 MCQs on spectrum. Okay, that will cover almost everything, and it's classified in a very detailed way. It's not chapter wise, it's classified like first test is based on only personalities, second test is based on only the British in India time, then third is only the Gandhian phase. Like that 4 test is classified in 4 different format. Okay, that also when you come to enroll, I'll tell you what test contains what. Okay, which section. But anyway, it's entirely useful. It's not like anything unwanted is there. It's totally based on spectrum with screenshots from spectrum from my lectures. Okay, the lectures which I've taken from their slides, screenshots are there. Then pack 4, which is an NCERT based test, because there are some students who need NCERT alone. So here we'll have NCERT, as I told, history 6, 7, 8, 12, that is 1 test, I think 2 tests for that, and then geography also 2 tests. Okay, 6 to 10 will be 1 test, and class 11, 12 will be second test. So 4 tests by history, geography, and 1 economics. So 5 tests in this one. Okay, this package. Then if you see, this is a bigger package actually. Geography plus environment plus science and test. Science test. Okay, science and technology. So 6 plus 4 plus 4, that is 14 test. Okay, 14 test, 1400 MCQ, and this includes everything: your map learning, your environment, Shankar IAS learning, science general learning, science technical learning, space missions, everything will be covered here. Okay, and current affairs obviously you should study, because this will have 90% static things. Okay, whatever happens in the news, that will be in the current affair test. So don't think like the latest space mission will be there in this test. This test will have the static part. Okay, with the last 2 years older missions and all these things, which is expected to be picked up by UPSC. But the latest one, obviously, it will be there in the current affair one. So I will suggest whoever is serious, if you need only particular subject, buy a subject pack and a current affair pack. Okay, that will do good for you. But if you are a very, very serious aspirant and want to study everything, you should go for pack 1. Okay, with the revision charts or without the revision chart, that's up to you. And then pack 6, which is 12 polity test, as I told, 8 Lakshmikant based, and then 4 general polity. So that will be again this price. And these are all 50% of what the original price is. You can go back in the video and see the original price there, which will be the price after 1 week. Then revision chart and snippet card alone, which is one of the best seller in our entire test series every year. So this one, again, we have kept it this price. Usually it is more than that. It is 2000 something. But we have kept it this price because students want to learn. Okay. Then pack 8 will be economics, where 5 economics tests, including the economic survey. And as I told, it's not even prepared now. Okay, but when it comes out, I'll be making it, and then you can watch it. And how to study economic survey, the original PDF, that a detailed 1-hour video is there in my channel, which is given to you as part of foundational course also, which is completely free. So that also you can come and get it and watch the video. And this will be the price for this 5 test. Then pack 9, which is I told is a new thing. 2 international body test and 3 government scheme test. Okay, which entire schemes which is covered in the last 3-4 years or 5-6 years by this government, after this new government has come, entire thing will be there with detailed explanation. Okay, so this will give you a coverage of almost everything that UPSC, whatever scheme they ask or whatever international body they ask, 99% will be there in this. Okay, and as I told, current affairs has to be followed, because these are all static tests. Okay, whatever new things happen, amendment to policies and rules are changed, or something, okay, something is changed in an act, then that won't be here. That will be there in the current affair. That's why I told, if you are buying pack 9, you have to also buy one of the current affair pack. So if you see here now, the current affair packs. Okay, so the 10, 11, 12 all have 12 tests each, and these are the this thing, like each month. June will have a PDF, July will have a PDF, so each month will have different PDF. Okay, and I can show you a sample also in this video. I'll show you a sample, and then these are the prices. And if you want all 3, that is 36 tests in one shot, you can buy the pack 13. Okay, so you'll get all these things. Okay, the latest one, 2020 June to May 2021, will be the most detailed one, because from there only questions are expected 19%. Still some older things are expected, so that will be with even little lesser explanation. Okay, but in a different format. The format is different because this year we have changed the format with little indexing and all. So hope these things are clear. What you have to do is, you have to just email me, or better WhatsApp for faster response. Okay, the faster response is there in WhatsApp only. Gmail I'll check only once in 48 hours or something. So you have to WhatsApp me and ask for test, okay, or mini test. Then I'll give you the details. Again, the same thing. So you have to WhatsApp me mini test. I'll show you a sample also before we end this video. So 75 test, 250 revision chart, 60 snippet cards. This is the original price. Now we are giving for this price for 5 days alone. Okay. And then after that, we'll again increase. Okay. So don't regret. Okay. That's what I will tell, because some people don't take the right decisions and then you blame like I could not get it. Okay. I know many people have been waiting for mini test and all, because many WhatsApp requests I got. So this is your chance. This is your golden chance to get this, because after this, please don't come and blame us that we have not given you at the right time. You have 5 months now and you can study anything at least 3 times. Okay, you have time to revise 3 times. And if you go for the full package, you will get the timetable also for revising. Now let me just show you. Yeah. This is actually October October current affair. Okay. The latest one which I have given, because in schedule I think November current affair will be given in next 2 days. So here if you see the defense acquisition procedure, one question. So it will have a question. This is an answer PDF. Okay, you will get a question PDF also. The only difference will be in question PDF you will have this. You will not have this red color highlighting and all. It will be just this section. Okay, this question and the options full black color. Okay, so that will be a smaller PDF. This one if you see 128 pages are there for October current affair. The question PDF will have just 20 pages, because each page will have 5 questions. So 20 pages, 100 questions will be done. Okay, so you can open that and then print it and then mark it yourself at home and then take this answer PDF and learn it. Okay, or the reverse way, you can just like a magazine, take directly the answer PDF, then learn question answer, and then after a few days when the exam is nearing, then take the question PDF and try whether you can recollect all those answers, okay, with the explanations in your mind. Then that is called a complete study. That's what I'll recommend. Please don't start solving and then think like you can solve everything, okay. Unless you are a person who reads newspaper too much every day, everything in and out, you cannot solve the questions, because we put that kind of standard questions which UPSC will pick up, okay. So here explanation is there, the news item is there with again explanation from the newspaper, and then the exact newspaper link is given. So you can again confirm it. You can go and click on it and see like, okay, it is from October 3 news or October 4 news, whichever day if you want to confirm. Okay, then second question. So if you see, the explanations will vary. Okay, some questions will have lesser, some will be higher. It depends on what that question demands. Okay, well, how much data you need to study from that particular thing, how much is expected to be picked up for prelims. Okay, so we see here national pharmaceutical, whatever happens. Okay, whatever happens, and if it's UPSC based, that will be there in Vaishya's test, and that is why repeatedly since last 5 years, 100 plus marks are coming from our test. Okay, because there is not a single news item will be missed. Okay, everything will be there. If it's missed in current affair, also later in the full test we will cover it up. Okay, because out of human mistakes and all, maybe some very important article we missed out, or something maybe in the culture page or science and technology page we missed it out. But when we prepare the full test, which is at the last, after 65 tests are given to you, last 10 test is full test, okay, which comes in the May month. That time we will cover it up, whatever is missed. That is why I'm telling, a person who enrolls to a full test series, the entire 75 test package, you will not miss even a single news item, single static thing, and everything which UPSC asks will be there in our test series. It's up to you how much you recollect and go to the exam hall. Okay, more you can recollect, more you can revise, there's a higher chance that you will clear the prelims this time itself. Okay, that too very easily. You will not even have to struggle in the exam hall. You will easily clear. But your memory power should be little good enough to suit the UPSC standard. Okay, so this is October sample. I think at least 6 questions you would have seen. See, extra facts also give for some test. Okay, because some things will be there which even the newspaper don't cover, but we will cover it because we expect such things to be picked up by UPSC. Okay, so any news item, okay, you can confirm it. So please email us. And I think one more PDF is here. This is actually one of the brochure PDF of batch 3. Okay, so batch 3. That's why I'm telling, if you enroll to the full test, right, you will get you will get an extra PDF like this. Okay, where we'll give a timetable also. Then you will know like what to prepare, which book to study each day. Everything we tell you. See, this is the batch 3 one. And their dates will be different. If you see here, they started on 30th September itself, and they had, I think, 200-day timetable or something. Okay, they had something because based on the timing I launched the batch, the number of days will get reduced. The latest batch 4 had only 185-day timetable. Now I don't know whether I'll be launching a batch 5, but if it is launched also, it will have just how much? It will have 100 days, 110 days. That much will be the timetable. So it's very difficult to study all the textbooks in that gap. Okay, so that is why a veteran student who is very good or who knows the basics of NCERTs, you will be like benefited too much if you join the entire package now. Okay, because you already know some things, you just need to suit it to UPSC standard. So like this, see each test what it contains with index we are giving. This test contains this one, this test contains this one. So you will know what to study. Okay, every like chapter names are given. These are Lakshmikant chapter names. So I think I've given a clear idea about this. We'll go to the last. Okay, these are the prices and all for batch 3, which is not valid now. This was a mains thing. Mains also is closed now. There is no more mains enrollment. And see here, 8th June, test 75. Okay, so like that, by at least 2 weeks before your entire prelim starts, all your tests will be covered. Okay, entire thing will be covered, and you will have enough time to again revise. And obviously, we'll give you revision charts and snippet cards, so you will be completely engaged with Vaishya's materials, that you will feel too much confident, and you yourself will feel, okay, like this exam can be cracked. Okay, that is the experience we have, so it's up to you. Now you can go through the community tab, chat with me on WhatsApp, and then you can decide. Okay, so again, about the vaccines, whenever it is available to you, please take it. Please don't go by rumors and all other things. Vaccine you have to take. Until you get the vaccine, please still follow all these rules. Okay, wear the mask, wash your hands, and maintain distance, all these things. Okay, we are just for out of concern we are telling, because people take it lightly and then cause trouble for themselves. You have to be in your full health and full mentally, physically, everything you should be good. Only then you can crack such an exam. Okay, so please see to that you take care of yourself. Again, a detailed video about this vaccine is there in our channel, the latest one. Please watch that video also, and give your feedback. Okay, give your feedback, because when the feedback is less, we ourselves feel like maybe our videos are not reaching you, or maybe it's not enough to get your attention. Okay, so please give your feedback so that we can think of more lectures and more videos for you. So I'll wind up this, expecting your WhatsApp message now. Thank you and have a nice day.